Welcome back to the channel. I'm Shazib, and I'm excited to delve into a topic that's crucial for a fulfilling and healthy life. Today, we're diving into 9 science-backed ways to boost your sexual stamina, offering you practical strategies rooted in research and expert advice. This isn't just about performance, it's so much more than that. It's about confidence in yourself, a deeper connection with your partner and your overall well-being, impacting every aspect of your life. We'll break down the physiology behind sexual stamina, understanding how your body functions and what influences your endurance. We'll also explore the psychology, uncovering the mental and emotional factors that play a significant role in your sexual health. And most importantly, we'll provide practical steps you can start implementing today to see real improvements in your stamina and overall sexual health. Forget about quick fixes or miracle pills, there are none. We're focusing on real, holistic lifestyle changes that, when consistently applied, will make a lasting difference in your life. We'll cover the importance of regular exercise and how specific types of workouts can enhance your stamina. We'll discuss the impact of diet, highlighting foods that can boost your energy levels and improve your overall health. We'll delve into the significance of mental health, exploring techniques like mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress and anxiety. And finally, we'll emphasize the power of open and honest communication with your partner, fostering a deeper connection and understanding. Are you ready to take control of your sexual health and unlock your full potential? Then let's get started on this journey together, step by step. Don't hesitate to drop your questions, share your experiences, or offer your own tips in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn and grow from each other's insights. First up, exercise. It's a cornerstone of overall health and absolutely vital when we're talking about boosting your sexual stamina. Regular physical activity, and I mean not just a sporadic workout here and there, is a game changer for sexual stamina. It's not just about looking good, it's about good and having the energy to perform. Cardio like running, whether it's a light jog or a full-blown sprint, swimming, a fantastic low-impact option that works your entire body, or cycling, whether you prefer hitting the open road or spinning in a class, improves blood flow and endurance. Think of it as revving up your engine. Both are crucial for performance. Better blood flow means better everything, really. And endurance? Well, that speaks for itself. Strength training, think squats, the king of all exercises, push-ups, a simple yet effective way to build upper body strength, and core work, which is essential for stability and power, builds muscle and stability. A strong core supports everything you do, letting you last longer and try new positions. It's about confidence and control. Exercise also boosts testosterone, a key hormone for sexual function and desire, and helps manage weight, which can significantly impact your overall health and energy levels, both key for libido and stamina. Excess weight can hinder blood flow and lower testosterone. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate cardio most days. Consistency is key here, plus a couple of strength sessions each week. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups. Don't overthink it, just get moving and stay consistent. Find activities you enjoy so it doesn't feel like a chore. A balanced routine pays off in and out of the bedroom. It's an investment in your overall well-being. Start small, build up, and watch your stamina improve. You'll be surprised at how quickly you see results. Your body will thank you, and so will your partner. It's a win-win situation. Let's move on to nutrition, because what you put your body is just as important as how you move it. Diet matters more than you might think. It's not just about weight, it's about overall vitality and well-being. What you put into your body directly impacts your energy levels, mood, and even your libido. What you eat fuels your energy, blood flow, and hormones, all of which are crucial for a healthy and fulfilling intimate life. Think of food as medicine, working from the inside out to optimize your body's functions. Focus on whole foods. The less processed, the better. These are the building blocks of a strong and resilient body. Leafy greens packed with vitamins and minerals, berries bursting with antioxidants, nuts, a great source of healthy fats and protein, lean proteins essential for muscle building and repair, and fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids for circulation and heart health. These foods help keep your cardiovascular system in top shape, ensuring optimal blood flow to all the right places. L-arginine and omega-3s support blood vessels, promoting healthy circulation, while zinc boosts testosterone and libido, playing a vital role in sexual health and function. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar. They offer little nutritional value and can wreak havoc on your body. They sap your energy and clog arteries, hindering blood flow and overall performance. Hydrate well. Water is essential for every bodily function. Dehydration can zap your stamina, leaving you feeling sluggish and unmotivated. Fill your plate with color, ensuring you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Choose whole grains and keep portions balanced. Moderation is key to maintaining a healthy weight and feeling your best. A well-nourished body is ready for intimacy both physically and mentally. Eat smart, feel better, perform better. It's a simple equation that can transform your life. Next, let's talk about stress and how it impacts your overall well-being and intimate life. Stress is a major stamina killer. High cortisol levels lower libido and disrupt blood flow. Mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing can calm your mind and body. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Try yoga, nature walks, or hobbies you love to unwind. Find what works for you and make it a habit. Less stress means better focus, energy, and connection. Manage your mind and your body will follow. Now let's talk about sleep. Sleep is essential for sexual health. It's when your body restores energy and balances hormones. Less than 7 hours a night, you're risking low testosterone and poor stamina. Prioritize 7-9 hours of quality sleep. Keep a regular schedule, wind down before bed, and avoid screens late at night. A cool, dark, quiet room helps you rest deeply. Good sleep means more energy, better mood, and stronger performance. Don't underestimate its impact. Rest up, your stamina depends on it. Let's look at what to avoid next. 9. Alcohol and smoking are stamina saboteurs. Too much alcohol dulls sensation and makes it harder to perform. Smoking damages blood vessels, reducing blood flow and endurance. Both can lower libido and energy. Cut back on drinking and quit smoking for better circulation and stamina. The benefits show up fast. More energy, better performance. Invest in your health and your sex life will thank you. Now let's get specific with Kegels. Kegel exercises aren't just for women, they're for anyone wanting more control and stamina. Strengthen your pelvic floor by tightening the muscles you'd use to stop urinating. Hold for 3-5 seconds, relax, and repeat 10-15 times, 3 sets a day. Strong pelvic muscles mean better control, delayed orgasm, and stronger sensations. Do them anywhere, no one will know. Consistency is key. Results come with regular practice. Simple, discreet, and powerful. Next, let's talk about communication. Communication is the foundation of great sex and stamina. Talk openly about desires, boundaries, and anxieties. It reduces pressure and builds trust. Listen to your partner's needs and share your own. Focus on mutual pleasure, not just performance. Non-verbal cues, touch, eye contact, matter too. Emotional intimacy leads to better physical connection. The more you talk, the better it gets. Now let's spice things up with variety. Variety isn't just fun, it's strategic for stamina. Switch positions to manage energy and avoid fatigue. Try slower pacing, more foreplay, and techniques like the stop-start or squeeze method to delay orgasm. Explore what feels good for both of you. Make it playful, not pressured. Outer course and new techniques keep things fresh and reduce anxiety. See sex as an adventure, not a race. Experiment, connect, and enjoy the journey. If you're still struggling, it might be time for expert help. 9. Sometimes, stamina issues need a professional touch. If lifestyle changes aren't enough, see a doctor or therapist. Medical conditions like hormonal imbalances or anxiety can affect performance. Professionals can diagnose and treat underlying issues. No shame, just solutions. Sex therapy can help with anxiety, communication, and confidence. Millions face these challenges. You're not alone. Reaching out is a sign of strength. Let's wrap up. There you have it. 9 proven ways to boost your sexual stamina. Combine these tips for lasting change. Exercise, eat well, sleep, manage stress, communicate, and seek help if needed. Progress takes time. Be patient and celebrate small wins. The goal is confidence, connection, and satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you next time. Your journey starts now.